Welcome. What if you could earn $500 a month from real estate, without ever buying a house? Real estate crowdfunding makes that possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how real estate crowdfunding works, how you can get started with just $10, and how it can generate passive income every month. Let's dive in. What is real estate crowdfunding? Traditionally, real estate investing meant buying properties, managing tenants, fixing leaks, and dealing with banks. Today, you can skip all of that. Real estate crowdfunding lets you invest small amounts of money into large real estate projects, like apartment complexes, shopping centers, or office buildings. You invest through online platforms, and in return, you earn a share of the rental income, appreciation profits, or both. It's like owning a piece of a skyscraper without the headaches. How it works. Here's how the process usually works. 1. You sign up for a real estate crowdfunding platform. 2. You browse available projects, residential, commercial, or mixed use. 3. You invest as little as $10 or $100 into a project you like. 4. As the property generates rental income or is sold, you receive a share of the profits. It's completely passive. You don't manage the property, you don't deal with tenants, and you don't worry about maintenance. Best platforms to start. Some of the top platforms you can check out are Fundrise, start with $10, RealtyMogul, accredited and non-accredited investors, Groundfloor, short-term real estate debt investments, Arrived Homes, buy shares of rental homes. Each platform offers different strategies. Some focus on long-term rental income, others on quick flips and resales. Make sure to read reviews and understand the fees before investing. How much can you earn? Earnings depend on the project, but typical returns range between 5% and 12% annually. Example: you invest $5,000. The project delivers an 8% annual return. That's about $400 a year, or around $33 per month. To earn $500 a month, you need to scale your investments up over time. Start small, reinvest your earnings, and grow your portfolio slowly. Pros and cons of real estate crowdfunding. Pros: start with very little money, totally passive income, diversify across different types of properties, no landlord headaches. Cons: returns are not guaranteed. Some platforms have holding periods. Your money may be tied up for 3 to 5 years. Platform fees can eat into profits. Like any investment, there are risks, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. How to start today. Getting started is easier than you think. Step 1. Pick a platform like Fundrise or Arrived Homes. Step 2. Create an account, takes less than 10 minutes. Step 3. Choose a project that fits your goals, rental income, short-term flips, commercial buildings, etc. Step 4. Invest your first $10 to $100. Step 5. Track your returns monthly inside the platform dashboard. Over time, your small investments can build into a serious passive income machine. Outro. Real estate has made more millionaires than any other asset class. Thanks to crowdfunding, you can now get a piece of the action without needing thousands of dollars, or dealing with tenants. Start small. Stay consistent. Watch your passive income grow. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more smart money ideas and financial freedom strategies. See you in the next video.